नाम से डरा मत करो सिलेबस मेरे।
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. So tan alpha value L by M given, where alpha is equal to 2 beta, where alpha being acute angle, then we have to find 1 by 2 times of L cosecant 2 beta plus M secant 2 beta. Okay, so what is given? Tan alpha value given, where alpha is acute angle. So tan alpha formula, opposite side of alpha by adjacent side, hypotenuse is root L square plus M square. Okay, but our target is 1 by 2 times of L cosecant 2 beta is nothing but 1 by sin 2 beta plus M into secant 2 beta is 1 by cos 2 beta. So 1 by 2 times of L into sin 2 beta, where alpha value 2 beta given. So tan 2 alpha is equal to, this is 2 beta, tan 2 beta is equal to L by M. From this triangle sin 2 beta, sin 2 beta is opposite side by hypotenuse, L by root L square plus M square plus M times of 1 by cos 2 beta. From this triangle cos 2 beta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, M by root under L square plus M square. So what, one M get cancelled, L 1 by 2 times of, this is root L square, 1 by root L square plus M square is nothing but root L square plus M square plus root L square plus M square. It will going to be 1 by 2 times of, so root plus root 2 root L square plus M square. So 1 2 get cancelled, this is answer. Okay, now explain question number 2. If 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan 4 alpha equal to 2, where alpha belongs to 0 to 1 by 5 by 10, then we have to find alpha value. Okay, we have 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2 if A plus B is equal to pi by 4, 45 degrees. Okay, where alpha value to, where A placed in alpha, B placed into 4 alpha given. So what is the condition? Equal to 2. So what is the condition? A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Where A value alpha, B value 4 alpha equal to pi by 4. It will going to be 5 alpha is equal to pi by 4. Therefore alpha is equal to, divide 5 on both sides, pi by 20. Okay, moving to next question. If f of 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x equal to cos 2x plus 1 into secant square x plus 2 tan x by 2, then we have to find f of 4. Okay, so what is given? F of 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x, we have 2 cos square x formula. Secant square x formula is 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x by 2. 1 2 get cancelled. It will going to be, cos square x is nothing but 1 by secant square x. So 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x by secant square x. We have secant square x formula 1 plus tan square x. Since secant square x is equal 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Okay, 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. This is nothing but 1 plus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x get cancelled. What is this value? F of 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, f of 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x equal to 1 plus 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. But our target is f of 4. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x place in, we should write 4. So it will going to be f of 4 is equal to 1 plus 4. This is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. What is the answer? 5. Okay, moving to next question. Find the value of tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees. Okay, so write tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 78 degrees. Okay, so one tan 18 degrees, divide, multiply and divide. Why? Because this is in the form of tan theta. Tan 42 degrees can be written as 60 minus 18 degrees. This is 60 degrees plus 18 degrees, 78. This is in the form of tan theta into tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta. It will going to be tan 3 theta. What is the formula? Tan 3 theta, where theta is 18 degrees. So tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees into, so this is in the form of tan theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 60 plus theta. So what is the formula? Tan 3 theta. Tan of 3 into theta value, right, 18 degrees by tan 18 degrees. Now this is, so let us take 6 degrees is theta. This is in the form of tan theta, tan 60 plus theta. 3 18 is 54. This is 60 minus 6 degrees. So this is in the form of tan theta into tan 60 plus theta into tan 60 minus theta. This is applying same formula. What is the formula? Tan 3 theta. 3 into where theta is 6 degrees by tan 18. It will going to be tan 3 6 is 18 degrees by tan 18 degrees. So answer will be 1. Okay, moving to next question. Find the value of 2 sin square beta plus 4 cos alpha plus beta into sin alpha sin beta plus cos 2 times of alpha plus beta. Okay, so write 2 sin square beta plus in this one, okay, right, 4 cos alpha plus beta into sin alpha sin beta. We have sin cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square alpha plus beta minus 1, where theta is alpha plus beta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square alpha plus beta minus 1. Okay, it will going to be 2 sin square beta. In this one, 2 cos alpha plus beta, take out common. 2 cos alpha plus beta. It will going to be 2 sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha plus beta. So write minus 1. Okay, so it is, so 2 sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta. It will going to be 2 sin alpha sin beta, 2 sin alpha sin beta. Cos alpha plus beta formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Okay, minus 1. It will going to be 2 sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta. So cos alpha cos beta first, right? Cos alpha cos beta. 2 sin alpha sin beta minus sin alpha sin beta. It will going to be 1 sin alpha sin beta. So minus 1. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. It will going to be cos A minus B cos alpha minus beta formula. This is. So 2 sin square beta plus 2 cos alpha plus beta into, it will be cos alpha minus beta minus 1. Cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. It will going to be cos square alpha minus sin square beta. This is a formula. So 2 sin square beta plus 2 times of, what is the formula? Cos alpha plus beta plus into cos alpha minus beta. It will going to be cos square alpha minus sin square beta minus 1. Okay, we have got this value 2 sin square beta plus 2, this 2 multiplied to all 2 cos square alpha minus 2 sin square beta minus 1. 2 sin square beta get cancelled. 2 cos square alpha minus 1, it will going to be, what is the formula? Cos 2 alpha. What is the answer? Cos 2 alpha. Okay, moving to next question. Cos alpha plus cos beta equal to 0 given. Let us take equation 1. Okay, next second equation, sin alpha plus sin beta equal to 0. Let us take second equation. So equation 1 whole square on both sides. Cos alpha cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta equal to 0. So by using a plus b whole square formula. So equation 2 squaring on both sides, right? Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta equal to 0. So by using a plus b whole square formula. Okay. So let us do subtraction. Cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. We have cos 2 alpha formula. Cos square beta minus sin square beta, it will going to be cos 2 beta. In this 2 take out common. Cos alpha cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta equal to 0. Okay. So our target is cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta. It will going to be cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta plus 2 times of cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. We have cos a plus b formula, cos alpha plus beta equal to 0. But our target is therefore cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 beta equal to, this positive value bring the right side, minus 2 times of cos alpha plus beta. This is answer. Thank you for watching remaining problems. I will explain on coming class.